Every creator on YouTube needs a website. Here's why. A website can do so much for your channel, such as unlock new revenue streams, allow you to engage with your audience outside of YouTube, and give you long-term sustainability that can stick around despite the changing algorithms. So in today's video, I'll be diving into all the biggest benefits that come with creating a website as a creator. And at the end of the video, I'll also show you how you can create your website for an extremely affordable price. So with all that being said, let's get started. So first, a website can be a central home for your brand. This could serve as a place where viewers can learn more about you and your content, as well as your brand and your credibility. This is where you can put things like achievements and values and anything you want that will help you with your brand consistency whenever somebody searches up your channel on the internet. Now moving on to number two, and this is probably the biggest benefit, and that is the fact that websites can generate a ton of additional revenue. That's because with websites, you have access to so many more monetization methods compared to YouTube, and this includes things like selling merch, selling an online course, or even selling a service like online coaching. This is by far one of the biggest benefits to having a website as a creator, because if you can use your organic content from YouTube and generate a ton of leads that come to your website, then this means you can help out a ton of more people, and as a result, grow your business and generate a lot more revenue. This is very important, especially if you're an educational content creator, because if you're already helping others on YouTube through video, then chances are you can help them even more with some sort of digital product or service from your website, right? Like let's say you have a website that helps people learn how to cook. Well, there are tons of YouTube creators that end up opening up a website and turning that into some sort of blog or using it to sell digital products like PDFs, and inside of these PDFs they can be anything from checkbooks to even just straight out recipe books. With this kind of stuff, you're just trying to add as much value to your audience, and with YouTube videos alone, you can only do so much. That's why with a website, you guys can start products and services that can help out your viewers even more, and at the end of the day, giving value is what's going to allow your business as well as your channel to grow. So next we have community building, and although YouTube is already a great place to build a community, websites can also allow you to build deeper connections with your audience through things like blogs and newsletters. This is yet another way that you guys can give value to your audience outside of YouTube and generate additional revenue. There are tons of channels that open up newsletters and they end up generating extra revenue through things like sponsored posts. And the great thing about a newsletter is that it's direct communication to your audience. This is because they're opening up your email and they're reading through everything, and so they have less chance of getting distracted compared to YouTube, where if they're watching your video, they're seeing other thumbnails and titles as well, and that can distract them and cause them to click on another video. But with something like a newsletter or a blog, you have all of their attention, and it's a lot less likely for them to click on something else. So super valuable if you guys want to send out updates or promotions. And yeah, engaging with your community is a lot more personal when you're going through their email. Now, the last thing that I want to talk about is that having a website gives you more data and analytics. With a lot of these website platforms, you guys can have access to a lot of analytics tools. And with this, you guys can get access to a bunch of different things like visitor behavior, demographics, and traffic source. This is great because you can then use this information to refine your content strategy and make better videos and inform decisions that can target your audience more effectively. Now, to build a website, it's actually a lot easier than you think, and it doesn't require any coding at all on certain platforms. So this is great for a lot of creators because most creators just want to focus on making videos. They don't want to learn about how to actually build a website, which is exactly what I thought as well for my channel. That's why I recommend using a platform like Hostinger. They have the option of going with WordPress, which is super customizable, or you guys can go with their built-in AI website builder, and this is going to make a website for you super easily within minutes. And just to show you guys how cheap it is, if you guys click on the link down below, you guys can get started with Hostinger for under $3 per month. And if you guys use our coupon code, you guys can get an even greater discount. And just to show you guys a quick walkthrough, all you have to do is click on claim deal. And from here, you guys can choose your web hosting plan. So they have premium, business, and cloud startup. Most of you guys are totally fine with the premium plan. With this, you guys can have access to 100 different websites. You also have access to unlimited free SSL, unlimited bandwidth, a free email address for your website, as well as a free domain name. If you guys want better performance and more storage, then yeah, you guys can go with the business plan or the cloud startup. But for this example, I'll just choose the premium. And from there, it's going to ask me to choose a time period. So they have the 1 month, the 12-month, 24-month, and the 48-month plan. The only one that I don't recommend that you guys get is the 1 month plan, since this one is $12 instead of the $3 per month plans. So for this example, I'll choose the 12-month plan, and then if I scroll down, you guys can enter in your email address to create an account. And then down here, once you guys are selecting the payment, go ahead and click on this button right here where it asks you if you have a coupon code, and then go ahead and type in the code Charlie Chang. And once you guys apply, you guys can see there's an even greater discount. So I'm getting 1 year worth of web hosting for just $32.29. this. So as you guys can see, that's literally a 78% plan discount. And with this, you guys are getting access to 100 different websites, a free domain name, and all of the stuff for just $32. So yeah, again, if you guys are interested, we'll leave a link down below for you guys to check them out. But from here, all you guys have to do is just enter in the rest of your information and then click on submit secure payment. Not gonna go too much into the Hostinger setup process. If you guys are interested in that, you guys can check out our other videos on this channel where we teach you how to do it through WordPress or through Hostinger's builder with AI. Anyways, that's all for why it's so important to have a website as a creator, as well as how you can easily and affordably build a website with Hostinger. I hope you guys got some value out of this video. And again, we'll leave a link down below to Hostinger for you guys to check them out. Just make sure to use the code Charlie Chang for an even greater discount. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos just like this. Here on this channel, we make a lot of how-to guides and tutorials dedicated to helping out new entrepreneurs start their own business, as well as new content creators that want to grow their channel. That's all for now. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.